As the winter season sets in, the risk of colds, flu, and other seasonal illnesses increases. A strong immune system is the best defense against illnesses and infections. While medicines can help to support the immune system, there are many natural ways to boost it. In this video, we'll explore the top ways to boost your immune system naturally this winter. Eat immune-boosting foods. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins may help boost your immune system. These foods may provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and help to support the immune system in winter. Incorporate these immune-boosting foods. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Nuts and seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Garlic and ginger, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your health. Also in winter, proper hydration helps maintain the mucous membranes in your respiratory system, acting as a barrier against pathogens. Enough fluid is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your immune system functioning properly. Opt for warm herbal teas, broths, or water with lemon and honey. Incorporate immune-boosting herbs and spices. Certain herbs and spices have natural immune-boosting properties. Some of the top ones include turmeric, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help fight off infections. Garlic contains allicin, which has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining immune function. During sleep, your body repairs, regenerates, and your body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help fight off infections. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for healthy well-being. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a known natural immune booster. Physical activity helps stimulate the circulation of white blood cells, which fight off infections. Manage at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken our immune system. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Consider probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is key for good immune function. You can take probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Limit processed foods and sugars. Processed foods and sugars can weaken your immune system. Limit your intake of foods high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, especially in winter, to keep a better immune system. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for good immune function. Take sunlight, use vitamin D supplements, or eat vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and mushrooms. Stay socially connected. Social connections boosts mental health and can positively influence immunity. Staying connected with loved ones in winter months, through safe gatherings, phone calls, or virtual meetups, can improve your mood and overall health. Boosting your immune system naturally is easier than you think. By incorporating these top ways into your lifestyle, you'll be well on your way to boost your immunity and stay healthy this winter. Remember, a strong immune system is the best defense against illnesses and infections.